Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, this is a 35-mile-an-hour street. We're barely going 30. There we go. Love how you go 35 right before you get to the stop sign. Thanks. And then you don't stop. Of course not. Oh, that's a stop sign. That's how Wisconsin works. Nope, of course not. Now, how does that work? That makes no sense. Also, I just noticed, nice mirror. Nice stop. Bus is waiting for, but I really don't know what the bus is waiting for. Because you're turning right, so why does it matter what we do? Now the bus goes. Just roll that stop sign. Stop sign. Oh, nice pickup there. Blink, then brake. So small platoon. Oh, the light. Oh, that's a red light run right there. Can't wait 5 seconds for the light to turn green. I love how people don't know how this works. That's not a stop.
Anyways, new episodes come out every Wednesday. They're available now on radio.com, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. Give it a listen.
Cutting a little close there. Nice jaywalking. I don't know where you're going because the light just turned. And also, yes, this radio station does this sometimes. That's the sacrifice I take for good music. And the Nissan is right back on my tail. So we're gonna slow down. Okay. They're still too close, so I'm gonna slow down even more. I cruise it. Don't like it? Too bad. You got another lane there, Chief. I'll go slower. There we go, another 5. There you go, have fun. And just gonna tailgate the truck then. Fantastic.
Which brings us to the idiot of the week.
To allow people to not go crazy on the 4th, but to be able to hang out with friends and family comfortably on the 4th. That was the goal.
Why are you so far back?
The
line's up there. It's not.
But he would like a normal 4th of July for most of America.
We're doing fireworks this year on the 4th of July. I don't care.
And then you cut it way back here.
I normally don't. I normally don't. But this year I will.
So I like it. Get it beginning of May.
Yeah.
And then you go over there.
They're saying they're ready.
And then you still go over there.
It can happen. Do just a swift transition over to vaccinations.
I'm on standby too.
Yep.
Waiting for the call.
I think we found our video.
On the list. You haven't got a call.